I'm going to take a moment to talk about a really important community announcement. And we have to be in this good space. We're cultivating the intention first. We're cultivating the presence first. We're cultivating the awareness first. And then I have to share with you just a momentary sad announcement that our dearly beloved, our Fatima, one of our group, long-standing, she would always be here blessing the space, incensing the space, always in the corner. She passed this past week. And so I just like to draw that to mind and know that, like, thinking about the people we care about matters. Bringing us into that calm spot matters. Letting the feelings that come when I say that fill you up and then let you go, that matters. And so we just take a minute as we're in this space to just send some love to her husband, to her family, to her. Some love and gratitude for the whole community, for their support. And the real secret is letting the emotions come and go. Don't get stuck, don't get, I can feel the love building right now. I can feel how many people have known her personally and how many people care about her. It's like electric, getting the goosebumps, which is a nervous system reaction. And so continue to deepen your breath. Don't let it get stuck in the throat, in your belly, in your body. Feel that emotion fully, however you're feeling. And then shift to love. And shift to love. Shift your thoughts now. Imagine that white light. Imagine that beautiful energy. Imagine full peace, full restoration.